It's your girl Magenta, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to dye your hair red without bleaching. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Okay, so I just recently took my braids out, so I'm like, my hair needs a retouch, because if y'all can tell, it used to be red, but it's gone now. So you're gonna need, I picked up I have 2 magentas, I believe, and 1 red. Loreal dark hair only. Looks like this. And then you're gonna need a mixing bowl so you can mix the dye up. You're gonna need, well, it depends on what you want to use. So I picked up, the last time I dyed my hair, I used 20 developer, but this time, because I want it to be more red or whatever, I don't know if it's gonna work, we gonna see. I picked up 30 developer because in the box it says that you need 2.4 fluid ounces. So this has 4 fluid ounces. So I'll probably need this whole bottle and half of this. And then you will need one of these, what is this called? I don't know. I just remember this is like a brush or whatever. And then you need a comb. And then before you dye your hair, you're gonna need a raggedy shirt. It's a raggedy shirt with some toothpaste on it. Don't judge me, but it's whatever. And you're gonna need a towel. And yeah, that's what you're gonna need to dye your hair, because it can get really messy. Now y'all, I got dandruff, so y'all gonna see dandruff on my head. Don't judge me, and if you judge me, guess what? But I want to let y'all know that right now. So my hair look like this, all crazy. It's dry. Super duper dry. Okay. And also, you guys will need little clips to hold your hair up. But first, I'm going to, before I even fix my dye, my hair is super duper dry. But I need to detangle my hair. I haven't washed my hair since I took my braids down, so that's why I got all this gunk and all types of stuff in it. So don't judge me. I'm just showing y'all how to dye y'all hair, not to show y'all how my hair is. But I'm detangling it because it needs to be before I put the dye in. Make sure y'all start from the roots. Not from the roots, from the bottom up. Me and what he was talking about. about to start mixing up the dye. I'm gonna put my gloves on. Y'all need gloves. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. We need some gloves. I'll take these gloves out of some dye that I had already. Y'all know these gloves. These gloves that be in the perm box. I ain't had a perm in like years, but y'all know these gloves. So now I'm gonna take this. Oh, and y'all gonna need a shower cap. Okay, so I remember how I mixed this up. I'm just gonna put this is the developer. So old. I don't know why it's in my head. I'm putting half of this. It is half. I can't tell. Oh, I'm still putting the freaking dye in the thing because for some reason, since it's so hot and my hands are sweaty, but I've added the 2 magentas in here. Now I'm adding the red in here. So it looks like this. So now I'm going to add I got something in my hand, my gloves ain't open. I'm struggling, y'all, but I'm about to just add it. I'm adding the dye. You supposed to put Vaseline on. I don't care if my skin get red. So I'm not tripping on that. This shit is strong. Ain't no wind coming out from this window. putting the dye in. It's kind of sloppy, but I'm about to put sharp cap on, and I'm gonna leave this in for like 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'll come back once I blow dry, flat iron, actually condition my hair. I'm gonna use Herbal Essence. I'll leave what I use down below, and then I will blow dry, flat iron. Either I'm cutting my hair a little bit, but not too low, and then I'll come back and show y'all how it looks. Okay guys, this is the finished product. This is the color that I got after using 2 magentas and 1 red. Then after that, I use Herbal Essence conditioner. Everything that I use in this video, I will link it down below. I end up using the Herbal Essence. I left it in overnight, and then I rinsed it out, blow dried my hair, flat iron, and then I gave it a little bit of wand curls or whatever. But that is it for this video. Please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified when I post another video. And then you guys can follow me on Instagram at Mia Tara. Follow me on Twitter at AdoreMia_. And then you guys can add me on Snapchat at MiaK7. I love you guys, and I can see you guys soon. Bye now.